Welcome back friends. Today we are going to learn basic formulas that we are going to use in Excel, and on the screen you can see BODMAS. BODMAS is the basic mathematical rule that we have learned in our elementary schools. The first is brackets, then power sign or order sign we call it, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and this is the preference order in which these are being calculated or solved. So let us try to solve some of them one by one. Addition. If we have to have addition, we put equal to sign, select 20, put addition sign and then select 30, that is cell B3, and press enter. If we want to learn subtract, then we have to press equal to, then select C2, put a minus sign and select 10 and press enter. If we want to multiply the two numbers, we have to press equal to, then select 4, cell D2, a star sign, that is a multiplication sign, into select cell D3 and press enter. If for a division, we have to press equal to, select 24, press the division sign, select 7, cell E3 and enter. For the power sign, we have to go and select equal to, then press 4, put a caret sign. The caret sign you can find it on number 6, and then put 2 and equal to, we got 16. If we want to have a calculated square root, we'll calculate it like again in a similar fashion, equal to 4, the caret power sign, and for square root, that is 1 by 2, we have to open a bracket, put a 1 and divide it by 2 and close the bracket and press enter. We have to calculate a percentage. Now there are two methods by which we can calculate percentage. You see, if there is a percent sign, then you have to press equal to the number for which you want to calculate the percentage, put a multiplication sign and just select the number, that is 5%. If the percent sign is there, this is the method. If percent sign is not there, then you have to have equal to, select the number for which you want to calculate the percentage, press a multiply sign, select the percent, how much percent you would want to calculate, divide it by 100, and in this manner you are going to calculate the percentage. Let us see two examples by which we can learn up what we had performed till yet. Now you see here written a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 9. We have to solve a basic formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let us try to get this formula. Let us have equal to, then first is a square, then we'll select a, cell C2, that is the value 5, and we have to put a caret sign for a square, then put a 2, then put a addition sign, then there is b square. For b you have to calculate cell C3, the value of b, that is 9, then put a caret or power sign, then put a 2 for a square, then we put a plus sign, then 2ab means we have to have 2 here on the screen, put a multiplication sign, the value of a, put a multiplication sign, the value of b, that is cell C3, and in this way we can press enter. Now one more thing I would like to just refer is that we have selected cell C2 and C3. The reason being we could have had 5 or 9 in place, but if we are having 5 and we would like to place it 6, then we can place 6 here and it will automatically calculate our answer. So that is why we are always going to select the cells. Similarly, let us try to perform this second question. The expression is a plus b into c whole to the power bracket a plus b whole divided by d minus b. Looks like complicated. We'll follow step by step. So first step is equal to, then the number is a, let us select the a, that is value c7, then put a plus sign, then there is a bracket, we'll open the bracket, then we'll select b, that is c8, then put a multiplication sign, then there is c, the value of c is in cell c9. Now then after that there is a power a plus b, then we have to put a power sign or caret sign, then we have to open a bracket and select a and b, that a is c7 plus b is c8, then we have to close the bracket, and then after that again a bracket is there, then we have to close the second bracket also. After that there is a division sign, we put a division sign, then we select d, that is c10, and then minus b, b value is in c8. Now the equation is complete and we have to press enter. The answer is 8. I had given the solution in this file also. You can see these formulas again and again. Thank you.